You're putting on. Just wanted to state your name and where you're from.
Jared Daniels from the U.S. Department of Energy.
Excellent. Just wanted to ask you what your thoughts were about the conference.
Oh, I thought the conference was excellent. I very much enjoyed the opportunity to gain insight into the variety of perspectives on all these issues that we have in common. It's not every day that I get to hear the perspectives from all of the different folks that were represented in the room, from utility, from advocacy groups, and from regulators. It was nice to have the opportunity to have that free-flowing two-way conversation about what keeps individuals up at night about these common issues.
Sure. And what was your thoughts of the level of attendees?
I thought the level of attendees was excellent. It was a nice mix of folks from a very technical, staff level position all the way up to, folks that had, executive positions as well. And it was a nice mix to see those varying perspectives on each issue.
Perfect. And one last question. Would you come back and visit this conference again?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, this conference to me was sort of the nice condensed Reader's Digest version of, many, many perspectives on these key issues we all face. And so I thought it was a very valuable use of time.
Great. Thanks very much for all your help.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.